Hello everyone. Today we will study about digestive system. That what is digestive system? What parts are involved in this process? So here is a diagram of digestive system in which we can see that many organs are involved for this function. So the organs that are involved are mouth, tongue, liver, salivary glands, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, appendix, rectum, and anus. So what is digestive system? The digestive system is a complex process by which the body breaks down food into smaller molecules that can be absorbed and utilized for energy growth and repair. In simple language, we can say that digestive system, digestion is a process in which our few body organs digest that foods, or simply we can say break down that food in forms of energy that is utilized by organs for their functioning. In this process, many organs and enzymes are used because it's a complex process. Digestion is not a simple process that a single organ can perform it. It's a function or a process that is performed by a group of functions and enzymes. So now we will study that organs and the enzymes. So our first organ is mouth. First of all, the food enters in the mouth. So food enters the mouth where teeth break it down into smaller pieces. When the food entered in the mouth, the function of teeth is to break down that food into smaller pieces. Now the next step happens here is saliva mixes with that food. And the saliva contains many enzymes like amylase, lipase, and break down the carbohydrate and fats. Tongues help in mixing this saliva with the food. Now after that, the food passes through esophagus. So now the second organ that is involved is esophagus. The balls passes through the pharynx and into the esophagus. Peristalsis, that muscular contraction propels the balls down the esophagus. The muscular contractions that happens here helps in the movement of food from the esophagus to the stomach. So now the food enters in the stomach. The balls passes through the pharynx into the stomach, where gastric juice, the juice that contain acid and enzymes, break down proteins and fats. And now the stomach churns and mix food with gastric juices for about an hour. That means now the food or that particular thing that we eat stays in our stomach for an hour. So now next it moves into small intestine after an hour. So that partially digested food enters the small intestine where nutrients get absorbed. The pancreatic juice and bile juice from the liver and gallbladder mixes in it, and absorption happens in small intestine. Nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream through the intestinal walls. After the complete absorption of nutrients happen in small intestine, the food next move to the large intestine. First point here is the undigested material that remains undigested enters the large intestine where water and electrolytes are absorbed, and the colon stores and eliminate waste. Here the undigested part is absorbed and the waste that remains is eliminated. So there are few more organs that are accessory other than these. These are liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Here is a diagram of liver is present in front of you. So what is function of liver? The function of liver is to produce bile, filter blood and store glycogens. What function is performed by gallbladder? It stores bile. And the pancreas produce digestive enzymes and hormones that helps in the process of digestion. So now next is digestive enzymes. So total 4 type of enzymes are involved in the process of digestion. First one is amylase. That amylase is present in our saliva and pancreas. What is the function of amylase? The function of amylase is breakdown of carbohydrates. The second enzyme is lipase, that is present in saliva, stomach and pancreas. Function of lipase is breakdown of fat. Protease, that is present in stomach and pancreas. It breaks down the protein. And the last enzyme is lactase, that is present in small intestine, and the function of lactase is breakdown of lactose, that is milk sugar. The last is absorption and transportation. Nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream through the intestinal wall of small intestine. That means the process of absorption of nutrients happen in small intestine with the help of intestinal walls. The bloodstream transport nutrient to the liver for processing and distribution. So the function of transportation is performed by the blood. In this video, we have discussed the process of digestion in human body. Hopefully, this is clear to you all and may help you in understanding your topic. Thank you.